Hey guys, if you want to export vector assets for the iOS development from Photoshop, then instead of exporting your asset as an SVG via the Photoshop default method, you should do it by exporting to Zeplin. So for that, you need to have Zeplin installed, logged in, and it will also install a Photoshop plugin. And then let's say you have your asset here, right? Well, first you need to make sure that it is a vector based asset. So here I have all the layers are vector shapes. You need to make sure that you have the vector shapes here. Then it can be truly scalable. After that, you mark it. Well, actually, you don't mark it as an asset because it will just mark the sublayers. So you should manually just put this in front of your layer or group, as in this case. Then you just run the export selected artboards to Zeplin, and it will appear in your Zeplin, and the developers can easily pull the PDF vector asset from here. That's it. And the reason I'm showing you this is because when we've been trying to export it as an SVG from here, it wasn't working correctly for the developers. The SVG file wasn't behaving correctly. Alright, please hit like if this helped you, and all the best to you.